You probably already know about enchiladas, but have you ever heard about enfrijoladas? Let me share with you this easy and delicious recipe. The ingredients are 2 cups of refried beans with cooking liquid. You'll find the recipe in the description. 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, vegan queso fresco, which you'll also find the recipe in the description, sliced red onions, avocado, and of course, 15 fresh corn tortillas. This is completely optional, but some families like to add a chipotle pepper into the bean sauce for a little bit of extra spiciness. I'm just not gonna add it today. The first thing you're gonna do is blend the beans. Coat your pot with a little bit of avocado oil and warm up the bean sauce. The name Enfrijoladas roughly translates to in beans or covered in beans, the same way that enchiladas roughly translates to covered in sauce or in sauce. So essentially, this is the same recipe as enchiladas. The only thing that's different is the sauce, which is beans. Thank you to the sponsor of this video, my cookbook. It is finally here. If you like my videos and are looking for a way to support this channel, this is one of the best ways that you can do so. Click the link in the description so you can find out all of the details about how you can get your own copy. Let's get back to the recipe. When warming up the tortillas, you can add a little bit of oil to your pan so that it gives the tortilla a little bit more flavor, but honestly, it's completely optional. You don't have to. There isn't a specific recipe for enfrijoladas. Honestly, there's such a wide variety of the filling that can go into them. And the only thing that remains from recipe to recipe is that bean sauce. However, even then, the type of bean that's used for them can widely vary from family to family. Historically, this is a very humble recipe, something that the moms would just put together really quickly if they had beans at home and tortillas. But in recent times, you'll start to see them a little bit more in restaurants with a wide variation of the fillings. I'm giving you a very simple version that is completely plant-based, just naturally, because I feel like if you have really good quality beans and really good tortillas, sometimes less can be even more tasty. I would love to know what you decide to fill your enfrijoladas with and what toppings you put on them. And if you're looking for the bean and the cheese recipe, I will make sure to leave them here and in the description. Buen provecho!